Hello dear traders, I'm Anna Kasatkina. You're watching the latest financial calendar on Insta TV. The following are some of the most notable market movers which are due for release in the early half of the week. On Monday, the Munich-based IFO Institute for Economic Research will unveil its Germany Business Climate Survey for February. The median forecast suggests a rise to 107.7 points. The closely watched Business Sentiment Index in Germany rose to 106.7 in January. And this was above the forecast for an increase to 106.5 and December's reading of 105.5. Thus, the latest data from the think tank shows signs that the Eurozone's largest economy is improving. On Monday, the United States will prepare its report on existing home sales, which accounts for roughly 90% of all home purchases in the country. The US existing home sales are expected to total 5,030,000 units in the month of January. Sales of existing homes rose by 2.4% in December to 5.04 million from November. Analysts had been more optimistic, projecting the indicators jump by 3%. Experts note that the labor market growth, record low mortgage rates and affordable price would boost home purchases in the nearest months. On Tuesday, Eurozone's final consumer price index data for January will be out. Analysts expect no surprises, with preliminary figure to stay unrevised. It showed a 0.6% drop on an annual basis. In December, Eurozone consumer prices fell by 0.2%. In January, prices fell at a record-equaling pace, steeper than anticipated. The last time the single currency bloc witnessed deflation was the third quarter of 2009. Such a plunge was explained by sharply reduced fuel costs. The ECB aims at inflation rates close to 2% in the medium term. The regulator will buy government bonds and EU member countries' sovereign debt until September of 2016. In addition to these events, on Monday, the Bank of Japan's monetary policy meeting minutes will be revealed. On Tuesday, the US will disclose its consumer confidence data, and on Wednesday, China will release its HSBC manufacturing PMI, and the US will provide its new home sales report. And this concludes the calendar of the latest financial events prepared for you by Insta TV team. Thank you and see you next week. Bye.